everyone, welcome to our Industry Hot Topic segment here on Car Club. Now today we're discussing a crucial matter that's important for everyone as a whole, and that is how we need to improve our green footprint as drivers. And I'm joined by an expert today by the name of Tim Muri. He is an environmentalist and a petrolhead, and he's here to give us all we need to know about how to drive sustainably while helping the environment at the same time. How are you today, Tim?
I'm in very good condition, thank you very much. It's sort of like very nice to be here and having a bit of fun for a change.
I'm glad to have you here as well, Tim. Tim, what do you mean exactly by a green footprint when it comes to cars?
Green means responsible utilization. How are we being responsible in the way we're driving our car to limit the impact that it has on the planet and the people around us? Okay, and remember that the planet doesn't need people.
We need the planet.
We need the planet as humans, and you're quite right with that. So what we want to do is we want to see how do we create this planet as a place where we as humans can live in conjunction with everything else.
Of course. Yeah.
Okay, and driving is part of our everyday life.
What I'm hearing now as well, Tim, is that there's also essentially a domino effect, and it starts, maybe with the maintenance of your car. And of course, the fuel aspect as well, that's something we keep bringing up. But could one not maybe mitigate the fuel problem by using electric vehicles? Are they not a more green option as well?
In many ways, electric vehicle is green, okay? And it's great, it's not giving an immediate emission. Through the exhaust pipe.
Yeah.
But where did the energy come from that you're putting into that car?
Of course.
It's come from either one of our coal-fired power stations. It's unlikely to have come from a big solar panel on the roof of your car.
That's true. So Tim, what I'm hearing is that we're almost damned if we do and damned if we don't. If we use an electric vehicle, there are benefits to that. But in the grander scheme of things, like you said, where we get our power source from as well, that's also something to consider. Tim, perhaps maybe you can give me a few tips rather, on how you would advise someone when they're considering their green footprint. How would they go about that?
Service your motor vehicle.
Of course. Yeah.
And that is regardless of whether you are in an internal combustion engine or an EV. Okay, and remember that EVs will become more popular, and the various other forms of alternative energy as well. And then your driving practice. Probably the most important thing. Doesn't matter where you're driving that EV that is great when you put your foot down and it goes from robot to robot at a great speed.
Yeah.
Okay, just remember, if you drive that car a little more responsibly, you're going to get a longer distance out of your charge. When you're getting a longer distance out of your charge, you're being more responsible. And you're being more responsible to yourself. And we've got to be realistic as well. You can be an activist, but you need to be realistic.
That's very true, Tim. Tim, I must say that all of your information today has been mighty helpful. I think the sentiment that I've also gotten is that solely the responsible lies with us as drivers as well. There's so many things we need to consider before, we get on the roads as well. And I have to thank you for that. You've been a huge help.
Absolute pleasure.
There you have it. There are so many factors we need to consider as a driver on the road, and also understand our impact of our green footprint as well. Now, I hope that all of this information helps you keep sustainable, but more importantly, keep on driving.